So this is not your usual intro, no, guys. But we have to address the elephant in the room. When TNT won, pwede nyo i-check yung mga past videos ko before, we uploaded ASAP. When Hinebra won in Game 3, and this is the one wherein si Grem yung star ng game, Si Grem yung star. Hindi nyo ba naisip na gusto namin i-capitalize yun? Hindi nyo ba
Not
naisip
all.
na gusto namin ng 20k views kasi
Big
dami
deal.
nangyari ng Game 3 eh. Panalo pa Hinebra, pero walang upload, di ba? Tapos ngayong talo yung TNT, iniisip nyo agad na we just don't wanna upload? Okay, hindi namin to full-time job. This is literally a hobby for us, no? Kung makita nyo lang how much we earn per month, you won't survive. I mean, I can't even use that money for 3 days. Maubos na siya in 3 days at most, or 2. Kasi we split it 3 ways. And kahit, okay, sabihin natin lahat lang sa akin yung kita. That money will last me for 5 days.
Yeah, 1 week.
Not 1 day.
Bro, it's not even enough to full tank my Land Cruiser.
It's not.
No, but-
Wow.
It's
I
yabang
don't
mo.
have a Land Cruiser, but it's not
Yabang
enough
mo.
to...
Yeah,
Anyway, well, yung point ko lang naman is, how should I say this? Hindi namin to full-time job. Wala kaming big backer. Wala kaming big sponsor who can pay for, I mean, we would love to do this full-time, no? Pero, in today's economy, mahirap. Wala hanggang talaga, like, what do you call this? Like a Bill Simmons. Yung tipong ganong levels na you're getting paid by Spotify to post certain number of days, whatever. Wala kaming ganun. So, a hobby. The only thing keeping us recording, like, to make us, is just to show up. Is for you guys. So, yun lang talaga. That's the only thing making us record. Number 1, we love it. We love what we do. Number 2, of course, we don't wanna disappoint you guys. Pero intindihin nyo naman kami pag di kami maka-upload. Graham watched the game live. So, sa MOA yun. Oh, no, sorry. Even worse. It's in Araneta. At ang hirap lumabas sa Araneta parking kapag medyo latter part na ng finals kasi everyone watches more, diba? As you go through the games in the finals, the crowd size keeps getting bigger and bigger. Kasi in a way, diba? So yeah. May mga factors talaga kung bakit di kami naka-upload noon. Same for when Hinebra won. It was also coming from MOA. Tapos late naman kauwi yung boys.
Araneta yun.
No, we
Ay,
were in
no,
MOA.
Game
We were in
three.
MOA.
Game
We were in
three.
MOA in Game 3.
That's even worse.
Mas malala yun. Tapos malayo talaga. But the point of this message at the start is just that our sked is just different. No, iba-iba. I'm married. Graham lives in far-flung.
Wow.
Diba? Pag sinabi ng asawa ko, matutulog na tayo. May aso
Yeah,
nga
look
ako
at his
dyan.
dog. Oh. Look at his dog. It's
Ayun
staring
nga.
at him. Yeah, look, it's staring at him.
Pag gusto niya matulog niyan, wala nang magagawa. At pag pagod na ako, matutulog na ako. Kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya minsan. Same for the other two. But we still show up whenever we can. So, konting pasensya lang. No? Yun lang. Yun lang naman message ko. Di ako nagagalit eh.
Yeah.
Hanggang ganun lang talaga.
Yeah. Isipin nyo na lang, guys. Like, do you really think I want to see Graham as much as we do? As much as the three of us see each other? Like, yeah. So we hope you guys understand. Like yesterday, Graham and I was in the arena. Yesterday, I was celebrating and I was
Anniversary.
actually anniversary. I was also quite sick. Then I felt pretty sick. So we Graham and I have been honest. Hinebra fans naman talaga kami. And we haven't hid that since 2023. Since
And I'm
I've
not.
started.
Like sabihin, let's make it clear. I'm not a fan of,
Nico's
like,
not
a fan of, if you're gonna ask me what I'm a fan of, independent teams. I like Ross. Yun na lang, pipiliin mo.
I always say
Yung, yeah.
He's a fan of NLEX when they were paying him. But now
Now that I'm a
He's
free
Ross and
agent, it's
Converge,
Ross.
Ross and Converge. You like
No,
Ross and
not
Converge?
really Converge anymore because Jacob's
Okay.
not really running the ship. It's Boss Gov Delta. So
Hey,
I'm
hey.
more for Jacob than
Yeah.
than
So yeah,
Converge.
guys, like yun. Well, the reason why we're talking about this, by the way, for those who are confused, we have a Facebook group kasi, and today there were like maybe maybe
Mga
four,
four
three,
lang
four,
naman. Mga
five
four lang
posts.
naman.
4 posts
Which we
saying
kinda
that,
appreciate din kasi you guys follow us, diba? Pero
yeah.
Yeah.
hinay-hinay lang
But
naman sa criticism.
like we're quite busy na talaga. Like we're busy people talaga. And it just so happens na even if it is sad na whenever we're not busy, it is a Hinebra win. But also we are just quite
Nagkakata.
busy as people, man. Like I also have stuff
Look,
to
if
do every
Graham
day.
watched at home, we would have recorded ASAP.
Yeah.
Oo. Yeah.
So if there's somebody to be mad at,
Si Graham.
it's Graham.
Si Graham yung... So yung point ng rant ko, kay Graham nyo naman, ano, huwag
Oo.
nyo
Yung
sama si
point na lang
Nico.
namin is, wag mo-
Yeah.
yung point na lang namin is, okay lang magalit kayo, basta kay Graham lang. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, in the same light,
That's
a
how I
lot of you
throw
guys,
a teammate under the bus.
yeah, a lot of you guys supported us also. Like when people were talking bad on us and everything. A lot of you like, maraming nag-defend, not really defend, but like maraming comment saying na we're busy and everything. So we appreciate that also. But we're trying. That's at the same time. Gusto ko rin sabihin na, even kayong like yung mga Hinebra fans na supporters namin or like yung non-volatile non-supporters, parang ganun. You don't need to curse at these people. You don't need to
Hindi ko
troll back
nakita
at
yun.
them. Na, marami yun. You don't need to
Dinilit
troll
nyo na lang.
back at them. I think may mga nagde-delete kasi ng post nila after ko reply yan eh. Ayun, so like we don't you don't need to troll them back. You don't need to curse at them, Let's keep yun nga, yung community natin as positive as it can be. Kasi we really enjoy. Like even if we don't get paid a lot or at all sometimes, we enjoy making these episodes. We enjoy talking to you guys, each other, you guys in the comment section. So we apologize if sometimes the it looks like we're being biased or it looks like our schedules are being unfair to a certain degree. But we can promise you naman na we're not doing that. We're trying our best naman talaga to record as soon as we can.
Yeah, bro, give me just 1 minute here.
1 minute lang, ah.
Our video recordings, yung take namin within the video, yeah, they're biased. I mean, I'll be biased. Pero bro, yung pag-upload, it's a scheduled thing. Listen, guys, Nico said it. He has a lot of things to do. Mario's a student. He's in internship right now. I have 3 jobs. All right? Is that legal? No. But I don't care.
Iba,
You
binigyan mo
wanna,
na naman sila ng bala. Ibang
you wanna be a
klase ka, bro.
snitch and tell that to my main job? Sure, because I'm on my last week. I don't care. What are they gonna do? Fire me twice? They can fire me twice. So, here's what's gonna happen, okay? When we watch live, hindi agad kami nakaka-record. That's what happened kaya hindi na-upload yung Hinebra video last Sunday. Diba? So, I understand na, we want the reactions and then the reason we do it is we love you, We love doing this and we love you. Pero, brothers, you have to understand na, tao rin naman kami, di ba? Siyempre, magdadrive ka, pupunta ng Moa or Araneta, and then you have to record after that. What I don't understand is, Hinebra fans understood na, okay, hindi sila nag-upload agad, maybe tomorrow. But these TNT fans, aka, or slash
Wag na.
Hinebra haters,
Wag na.
Oo.
Wag
they
na.
want,
Wag na. Okay lang.
just
need.
came from therapy, so it's they said manage your anger. But yeah, we are not.
Oh, nag-therapy ka.
dodging.
Good for you, man.
No, it's physical therapy actually, but but man, di ba parang we're not dodging an episode, guys. I recorded an episode Game 7 in the car crying last year.
Ibig kasama si Manong?
That's still not enough. But yeah, let's talk
Miss you,
about
Manong.
it. I think I'm done. But I mean, this is the episode, Minsan
Okay.
nag-delay lang talaga. I mean, pag delay ba yung asawa nyo, nagagalit kayo?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Alright, let's go.
Hindi ko di-delete yun. Oh, anyway, congrats, no? Congrats sa TNT for winning games kasi as you saw here on the thumbnail, C-Mac went off. This guy had 53 points in 45 minutes with 22 rebounds, 20 for 36 from the field, 5 for 9 from 3, 14 of 24 from 2-point land. And good thing he was backed up by Jordan Heading and RR Pogoy, who really showed up, no? And there was no Calvin Oftana here, and because yun nga, Calvin's really had this injury since the start of the playoffs. There's a reason why hindi aga-aga na nung report rin, guys, no? Remembering sa spin na they said Calvin Octane will not be available for Gilas and Asian Games because of this surgery that he has to go through. And congrats to TNT. Grabe yung ano na yun. It was really entertaining. And my favorite part of sports. Game Sabad!
Is Nico's favorite part of sports. That's why we were
Oh.
surprised that he chose Ginebra nung game for Game 6.
No, kasi
Kasi
you would think you ended on Ginebra Sunday. I don't remember the last time they lost on a Sunday.
Man, I'll say this. Actually, I'll talk about that later na lang. For TNT at that point, C-Mac was insane. He had a really, really good game. C-Mac's been having great games talaga, and he should be coming back as an import. SMB, TNT, Converge, whoever wants him, whoever can afford him, they should absolutely be taking him. Kasi this guy shouldn't have left the Philippines in the first place. There shouldn't have been any lull in him being a participant here. So yeah, TNT played absolutely great. And the timing of everything kind of played well for them. In the fourth quarter, Ginebra made a run. Pugoy hit a three-pointer dun sa gilid na parang nagka-calm down. Again, Ginebra made a run. At this point, after after nung Nards Pinto three-point shot, yung lamang na silang 92-90, if I'm remembering it correctly. At that point, alam mo na yun eh. Like, Ginebra has the lead. They've been down by 10 or 20. They usually hold on to it. But then, ang pinakamalaking bagay din yung challenge ng TNT. Yung out of bounds call, yung kay ng Batak. Kasi if Ginebra got that ball, more likely than not, they might have converted on that. Because momentum was fully with them. But no, instead, it was a C-Mac three-point shot, which was a difficult three-point shot to say the least. And then he just kept it rolling, man. He hit another three. He hit a four. Yung four talaga yung pinaka, oh my God. This game is done and dusted. Graham, go home, get to the parking lot already. Parang ganun, like that was the feeling after the 4-point shot. And C-Mac has been great. But it's the locals talaga. See, dude, again, for the 6th video in a row, I will say I was not wrong. I will
canceling out.
Yeah, imports will cancel each other out. The only game where they have not canceled each other out was Game 5. Yung Game 6, they basically canceled each other out, man. JB had 52, Makala had 53. Yeah, 53, tama ba? Yeah. But then the locals, brother, Heading was hitting shots. Pogoy was hitting shots. Actually, that's it. Just Heading and Pogoy. And you'd think na, oh wow, just Heading and Pogoy were the only ones who helped Makala. They should have lost. Well, the locals of Ginebra were less. Somehow, some way, they were less. But we'll talk about Ginebra later. But TNT deserved this win. Unexpected TNT win, if you ask me. Kasi, unexpected Ginebra win. Kasi Sunday, momentum's riding high. Usually, Sunday is literally Ginebra day. But TNT battled back from, even if it was a 2-point lead lang, alam mo na yun, parang, that felt like a 5-8 point lead. They battled back. They held on composure and everything. And it's really worked for TNT. Yung ever since they've put a bigger guy on RJ Barrientos, it's been night and day. Parang, not to be rude here, not to speak ill, pero it's troubled RJ. And RJ will admit that to you also. Na the defense that they've been playing on him with the bigger guy has been hard to get past. And this is without Calvin, no BGR, no Jason. There was only Jason Castro for like 15 minutes. So, two main guys for TNT were out. No Calvin, no BGR, who we said na si BGR, malaking bagay yun. Mas lalong Calvin of Tana, malaking bagay yun. And then Jason Castro barely played as well. So, literally a heart type of win. So congrats to TNT for that one.
Yeah, bro, ibang klase si Chris Macalo. And I was early sa arena like 1.5 hours early sa arena. So, I was watching him warming up. Sabi ko, grabe may 4-pointer pala to si Chris Macalo. Like, consistent 4-pointer. And it was a premonition pala na puta yung pala yung papatay sa Ginebra in the end. But, sobrang swabe niya. Sobrang swabe ni Jordan Heading. Here's the thing. The shots that Jordan Heading were practicing nung warm-up abang nakapaa, which is still crazy to me. Yun din yung mga tinira niya in the game, mga floater off the glass, right side, left side. But, man, Makala versus Brownlee kagabi was like Thrilla in Manila, Ali, Frazier, haymakers versus haymakers. One guy had 53, the other guy had 52. Diba? So, it's as great of an import matchup as you can get. It all boiled down to the locals, which we'll get to in a second about that team wearing white that disgusted me to this night. But about TNT, it was Chris McCullough na, again, I always say this, it's like prime Eliza Valdez. Yung puporsyento ka lang, bigay mo lang sa kanya. Siya na yung tatapos niyan. Na ibigay sa kanya.
Porsyento ka na lang.
And di ba, he'll make sure to take you home. And that's why you have a reinforcement. Will yeah, you're right. Will they play like that with Bol Bol? Probably not, 'di ba? Because Bol Bol is not the guy na, one-on-one para si C-Mac na ISO create his own shot. He can create his own shot because he's what we like here. Pero hindi yung C-Mac na yung my bag, 'di ba? C-Mac is like no, I'm not gonna make that comparison. I'm about to say
He's gonna
Tony
give an
Bishop with
it's
the
like an
bag, with the
85%
bag.
RHJ or
No. I was about to say he's Tony Bishop with the bag, but that's a disrespect to C-Mac.
that's
So,
a disrespect to C-Mac. Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Ginawa mo siyang Tony Bishop.
Don't you
Grabe.
dare, brother.
Si Max, an NBA player, bro. Pwede,
Don't
NBA
you
ba siya?
dare, man.
I know. But man, 53 points on 22 rebounds. And what's impressive is, he got his fourth foul, I think, in the third quarter. He played disciplined enough on defense na hindi na yun nasundan. And medyo nagtitimpi pa nga siya on defense. Di niya masyado sinasabihan si Brownlee in the fourth. But man, I was really impressed. I know he won a championship with San Miguel and he had great moments with San Miguel. This is the best game of C-Mac's career in the PBA by a mile. And it happened in the most important game of the conference for them. Another guy, Jordan Heading. I do not know, especially when Castro starts, why is Abarrientos on Heading? That is a nightmare matchup for RJ. It's unfair to the guy. We'll get to them in a second. Pero bro, Heading is so talented na kapag binigyan mo siya ng defender na, I'd say less than a Scottie Thompson, less than a Nards Pinto, he'll capitalize. Ball screen, 'di ba? Catch and shoot, moving without the ball. This guy is elite. And he only took 11 shots kahapon and he still had 19. So, imagine if he had more shots like game 4, Jordan Heading. Then baka tinambakan tayo ng TNT ng mas malaki, 'di ba? And I mean, our Pugoy scored 13, that's fine. Kudos to Coach Chot Reyes, brother. I know I'm annoyed by him, all right? I know Mario is annoyed by him. A lot of people are annoyed. Coach Chot, yung antics ni Coach Chot na para bang kada tawag is against them na I mean, are you that disciplined for you not to commit fouls in the game? Pero bro, again, I told you this before. He reads Coach Tim Cone like a pocketbook on a 12-hour flight. That's the only thing he does. He knows every tendency of Coach Tim. Every substitution, there's a counter. Diba? Every superstar, there's an antidote. It's just, it's BTA every time with Coach Tim. Every time he sees Coach Tim, he's licking his lips like, this guy again? Can I get new ops? Can I get new ops? Like, I own you.
Wala naman ibang challenger dito.
I own you. The only time Coach Tim has beaten Coach Chot in a series in the finals, I think, was 2012. Some guy posted it. And that was the Denzel Bowles and Kelly Williams foul. I mean, we can argue Coach Chot should have won that. So I don't know, the last time Coach Tim really beat Coach Chot. I don't know, Mario, I'll let it go at some point in my life. But
Not tonight,
man,
apparently.
not tonight, absolutely. But man, Coach Tim is the GOAT, all right? That's fine, he's the GOAT. But Coach Chot is right up there with him. This guy is intelligent. Yes, he gets affected with calls, pero yung coaching niya, it doesn't get affected. To win without Calvin Oftana and BGR, that's something. You're telling me Ginebra will win without RJ Abarrientos and Japet Aguilar against TNT last night if TNT was full? No way. But iba yung system niya talaga. We can yap about how he did not do a good job sa World Cup and all of that, but that guy's a genius. That guy's the only guy that nakaganon siya pag naglalakad was Coach Leo Austria. Like when Coach Leo is there, it's Coach Chot is like
Ayun yung challenger, yun yung ano,
Yeah,
yun yung
yeah.
Yun yung ano, dyan ka may ilang.
Yeah, yung parang yung pag niindadaan, sige po.
Sige po, tandaan po kayo.
Ganun. Yeah, that's how we treat Coach Dave. But Coach Tim, he's not afraid. This is another game 7 that he's gonna be going against that guy. And he should be feeling confident. He should be feeling really confident knowing that BGR and or Calvin may be back and
Might
or
be playing.
probably Castro. Yeah.
For game 7, no one's
Or
gonna go
Poy.
all out. They're gonna bring out everyone. Not even Poy. I don't think Poy would play.
Bro, and
Hindi nga
he
gumana
loves
yung
yung
Kamar
ano.
Touch ni Poy.
Yung kay Poy, I don't think Poy.
Sa Kamar Touch pa siya, di pa siya makauwi.
Di
I
pa
don't
kaya
think
yung
it's kaya.
di pa kinaya yung kay Poy na Kamar Touch. But yeah, it's just genuinely it feels like it's weird kasi walang Calvin, walang BGR. Pero let's be real. This game was basically controlled by TNT for what?
80%, 90%.
80% of it. They never took the lead for a little bit. And when I say a little bit, I really mean a little bit. So again, it's just it's tough. It's tough if you're a Ginebra fan kasi it feels like a recurring nightmare. Yung literal na binabangungot ka. That's what it feels like. But hopefully, for us, on Wednesday, which is a weird thing to say, Wednesday game 7. Wow.
Yeah, it's a
Hopefully
Wednesday
for
game
us-
7.
Yeah. Hopefully for us, they're able to bounce back. Speaking of us, when I say us, I mean Ginebra. My God, where's the shame, bro? si, si Brownie lang ba and si Troy yung nakasahod recently? Specifically JB. Isa
Sila
lang,
ba yung nakasahod?
gets ko
Bro,
naman.
I have a feeling. Justin Brownlee's bank account is with the Bank of Commerce. The rest of them are with BPI, man. Because
Yeah, I was gonna...
Down pa
hey,
rin, no?
BPI, hey,
Now,
BPI,
by the
man,
way,
come on,
BPI,
fix your-
man, BPI, dude, I'm on my last. One more time, you do a random maintenance that lasts for 3 days. I'm switching to. Somebody get me onto a BDO account, Union Bank account. Somebody let me know.
Go time.
Yeah, go time, yung go time bank. Man, my God. It feels like yung payroll ng ibang Ginebra locals is with BPI. Kasi di pa nila nakuha, kaya si JB lang yung magaling, pati si Troy. Kasi nakuha na nila na RCBC na yun, na Union Bank, na BDO. Man, kasi grabe. Maawa naman kayo sa tao. Back-to-back games ng 50 points. Maawa kayo, please. Like, maawa kayo. Like, he in 2 games, in the span of how many days? In the span of 4 days, Justin Brownlee had 107 points. 106, sorry. 106 points. Is that normal? Is that supposed to be normal in this for us? I don't think so, right? Ang sakit kasi I don't know, man. It really feels like the locals need to help him out so much kasi without them, he's basically going 2 against 5 at that point.
Yeah. It's very rare na after a Ginebra win, I don't feel sadness. I feel anger, you know? Parang they didn't care about the fans na nandun. They didn't care about winning, actually. All they did was watch Justin Brownlee. I remember a game, it was near Holy Week, Mark Caguio was saying, those fucking fans paid money. Diba? Yung iba dyan nangungutang pa, iba galing sa probinsya, and you're gonna give them this performance, albeit we still lost to TNT by about 15, but at least they called it out. Kahapon yung Ginebra, man, they didn't care. Alam mo yung pag sa, yung sa Mobile Legends, yung marksman ako, dito lang ako sa gilid, yun lang role ko.
Ganun lang nangyari.
Ba't ako lalapit dyan? Ito lang role ko. Parang ganun lang sila kay Brownlee. Like, si Brownlee, bayad naman, laki-laki ng sweldo niyan. Ba't ako tutulong niyan? Di ba? Panoorin ko na lang yan. It felt that way. Brother, no local barged the double-digit mark. Nobody. It's like, hinayaan lang talaga nila si Brownlee. Pero nakakahiya na talaga, isipin mo. He already
Yung
did
next
that in
closest was
game
Troy. 9 points, no?
9.
Tapos si RJ,
Wait,
1 for
9.
2. This is worse, no? For the series.
For the conference, yeah, that's RJ's worst because before he had
For the
8
conference
against
also, not just
Game
series.
4. Yeah, pero man, pucha, binuwat na kayo ng Game 5. The least you can do is pay him back by playing better in Game
Nagpabuhatan kayo
6.
sa game 6.
Ano yun, man? Ano yun? What happened? happened? Siguro sabi nila, gumana ng Game 5, baka gumana ulit ng Game 6. Basketball doesn't work that way. It's a series. You're up against an intelligent team, albeit, di ba, kulang sila. And that's probably one of the reasons na Ginebra played down to their competition. Na, no, okay, sige, wala pala si Calvin, wala si BGR eh. Di ba, parang kaya natin balikan yan. But no, the TNT is a champion team. They gave you belt for 2 straight conferences, 3 of the last 3 times you met, talo kayo sa kanila, and then you had the guts to do that, na panoorin nyo lang yung player. Man, this is not the Fast and the Furious. This is like the slow and the tempered or something, right?
The temper.
Yung kahapon,
The tempered.
it's disgusting, man. I mean, I threw up, cleaned up what I threw up, and then I threw up again. Ganun ako, diring-diri kahapon, man. Sobrang inis ko. Pinag-drive ko yung asawa ko. Sabi ko, drive for me. I can't. Baka makasagasa ako ng tao. Really? Man.
Okay
Diba
na.
nung panalo yung Hinebra nung Game 3, sabi natin, if you try to cut in front of Graham, he'll let you.
He'll let you. Ito ayaw.
Mario, you see that, right? Di ba? Pinadadaan ko yung mga tao. Man, kahapon.
Katabi ko si Graham noon, he drove me home that day, by the way, guys. Which you would have known if we uploaded the Game 3 episode, which we didn't, by the way, and because, we don't have, we chose not to for specific reasons.
Pero
man,
bro, nakakadiri talaga yung ginawa nila. Nakakainis pa dun, bro. Si Brownlee na yung score. Si Brownlee pa yung pinagbababa nila ng bola. Si Brownlee pa yung pinababantay nila kay C-Mac, man. Like, what do you want to do? Brownlee, wash your socks? Wash your clothes? Wash your brief? Bro, diri talaga, man. Sobrang, I'm telling you, I've never been this disgusted in 10 years sa Ginebra. Nobody showed up. Nobody. And here's another thing, Coach Tim. After the Abyss basket, nilabas mo siya for Ralphco. After the Nards Pinto basket, nilabas mo siya for Scottie Thompson. What's going on, man? What's going on? After Nards hit the 3, nilabas mo. After John Abyss scored his only 2 points, nilabas mo for Ralphco. What? Oh.
it's not the best decision making, I guess. But what can we do? Another thing, man. Stephen Holt, you had a good game 3. Oops, somebody's calling me. Stephen Holt, you had a
Gusto ko we're still in game 3. Gusto ko yung nandun pa rin
Stephen Holt,
tayo.
you had a good game 3, brother. You had a great game 3. It's game 7. We're already at game 3 yun, diba? Nung mainit siya.
Yeah.
Game 3. Yeah. You had a good game 3. Brother, it's game 7. Wake up or don't show up, brother. Kasi your main purpose was to stop Calvin Oftana. And Calvin didn't even play in this game, and you haven't. I'm gonna do some quick math here. Go ahead, Graham. Can you talk for a little bit? I want to do some quick math.
Okay, Stephen Holt, man. Okay, if I get tickets, which I may not, but if I get tickets, I'll wear your jersey, alright? I'll lulunukin ko man yung kahihiyan to wear your jersey heading into Game 7. But brother, I have one hope only. Your best game this year was in the Mall of Asia Arena. Game 7 is in the Mall of Asia Arena. Maybe that's your comfort spot, alright? But brother, I'm running out of excuses. You don't defend, you don't shoot, hindi mo binababa yung bola. Bro, what are you, Strava? You doing Strava? I think si Ice ata, Strava Scotty ata yung video niya for Game 6. But, man, if I'm not bald, I'll be balding for now for sure with this team, man.
Well, you are. So don't.
Oh, you are. You already are.
Well, you are. So don't worry about that. So the math, I did the math, yeah. So Stephen Holt in this series has 36 points. And 23 of it came in game 3. The rest have been 5, 4, 3, 2, and there was a 0. I think that was game 1 yung 0. Man, you guys need ito talaga yun. For Ginebra, you have no choice but to help Justin Brownlee. Like you have that.
They have to, or else wala tong
Brother, he
championship na to.
cannot do it on his own. Like, even if he wanted to, he literally cannot do it on his own. Like, he needs to, he hasn't, it feels like Justin Brownlee's been on the court literally every single second of every single game. Literally.
Kahapon.
He had 21 seconds of rest yesterday.
Alright.
Yeah, so like, man,
Pero si Graham,
get Huh? He's mad. He's really mad, dude. No, you should have
21
seen.
seconds of
Man,
rest.
you should have seen his texts to me. Like he was going like, "Bro, I can't believe this team, man. Like, oh my God,
I
I'm about
can't
to
believe this team.
throw it all away." Yeah, I'll
You
do that.
signed up for this, Graham.
In like
Pero
10 minutes.
he only rested for 21 seconds and used his body for 47 and 39. I mean, I do the opposite. I use my body for 21 seconds and rest for 47 minutes and 39
Wow.
seconds. But that's a
Wow.
different thing.
Wow. Ooh, wow.
Okay yun ah.
Oh my God. Wow.
But I may take the full hour though. But man,
Oh
all I'm
my
saying, all I'm saying
God.
is people are saying na this is the game plan by Coach Chot. Just let Brownlee do the rest. So Coach Tim, you're just gonna be okay with that? Kasi yun yung plano ni Coach Chot di ba? Hindi tayo mag-adjust, yun yung plano ni Coach Chot Di ba? Wala tayong gagawin. Hindi tayo magre-react, di ba? Hindi natin involve yung locals kasi yun yung plano ni Coach Chot. That's BS, man. That's BS. The locals just didn't care yesterday. And I get it, di ba? Japet is hurt, Scotty is hurt. Troy may have some injuries too. Pero man, grabe naman yung outing talaga kahapon. Grabe talaga. It's really disgusting, it's embarrassing, it's maddening. I'm out of words. Iba talaga yung galit ko kagabi. I'm probably more kalmado now, but if we did record last night, I would have
Y'all, y'all would have
the
seen
video may
something
be
crazy
reported.
last night.
The video may be reported. Heading into Game 7, I'm inclined to believe in them. I always pick Ginebra in Game 7. But the reality is, if they lose this game, and this is not BS, if they lose Game 7, man, I'll not be sad at all. They don't deserve this championship. If they win Game 7, I'll be a happy guy. I'll be a happy kid, Pero
Look what you
they
guys have
don't
done to Graham.
they don't
Ayaw
deserve
niya
this
na.
championship, bro.
Him.
No, bro, they don't deserve this championship, bro. You do that in front of 22,000 people. You do not care. You cannot tell me that they exerted everything they got kagabi. You cannot
Look,
tell me
oh
that.
my God. You guys broke
So,
him.
yeah.
He's broken. He's broken.
I'm a hurt man. I'm a hurt
Yeah,
man.
he's literally broken. He's literally broken. But yeah, one more thing. I just wanted to shout this out. Code CMAC, I forgot to say this a while ago. CMAC said that it's just in honor of the two Ateneo students, man, and that's a pretty nice gesture, I would say. Even before he said that, we loved CMAC's personality. He's never been the type of guy who you'd be annoyed at. But then dagdag pa yun, he's a good dude. So yeah, that's basically it. Ginebra has another game in literally 47 hours from now, or 46 hours from now. Man, I still say, obviously I will never pick against them. I will say na Ginebra will win game 7. And I don't know. I will say, obviously it will be a Justin Brownlee game. But I'm praying to every God out there na at least sana may tumulong na local sa kanya. Kahit isa, kahit dalawa, kahit tatlo. You only need 1 or 2, man. TNT only got 2. TNT only got 2 to help
Bro,
CMAC.
bro, one more thing. We can't be... Actually, we're right. Scotty Thompson was the player who will, impact the most yung winning team kagabi. It just happened na he impacted TNT. He helped TNT more than he helped Ginebra. So that's why he was the winning player kahapon for TNT. But you pick Ginebra, I pick Ginebra too, man. Scotty, please, I'm begging you. If it's not too much to ask, just one game. Just give us that one game, Scotty. I know you're hurting. You're still one of my favorite players of all time, man. 2 straight games that you've been doing this to us. Please, I'm begging you. Man to man, I'm begging you. Please,
Man to man.
Halaga naman.
to help us. Isang isang gabing kasiyahan lang. Isang gabing kasiyahan lang, Scotty. Yeah, that's all I need. That's all.
Ito naman, the way you talk about Scotty, parang kala mo,
Did you hear what Nico said? He said sa leeg.
Yeah, I did. Well,
He
that's
likes
another
that. He
thing,
likes
man.
that.
That's
He likes
another
that.
thing.
He likes that.
He likes that.
Yeah, that's another thing. But man, Scotty, please. I know JB will be there. He'll have 30 for sure. But please, Scotty. Please, I'm begging you. I'm on my knees, sir. I mean, I'll be on my knees. I'll go to Baclaran Church before the game on Wednesday because Wednesday's Baclaran Day. That's how crazy I am with this team. But if you all lose, man, I have some thinking to do next conference, man.
Wow. Oh my God. You guys are
Think, ano,
Ayos
you're
na-
supporting
ayos na-
Magnolia?
Ah, hindi
Nah,
naman.
bro. I mean, lilipat na lang ako doon pa sa malulungkot lang din ako tuwing conference. Ba't yun lang ako mag-San Miguel? Diba?
Not wrong.
NLEX na lang. Kailangan na lang ng bagong ano. Tao
That's
dun.
another thing. Well, yeah, I don't believe in them in Game 7. That's what I'm telling you. I'm just picking them
do.
because they're my team. I don't believe in them in Game 7.
I do. I believe in you guys. Hinebra, I believe in you. If Graham doesn't, I do.
Nah,
Oh wait, Graham, that's Nico yet. Nico, come on.
Game 7?
Hmm.
Hirap.
Yeah, it is. That's why we're asking you, man.
It doesn't need to be Nico.
No, you want to be
CMAC
right.
for
If you want to be
50.
right, all right. If you want to be
CMAC.
right, what's your pick?
Yeah, if you wanna be right.
CMAC na for 50. So TNT.
CMAC for. Oh, okay.
CMAC
Oh,
can score
yeah.
50 in back-to-back games.
Hey, Justin Brownlee did it.
Mm.
He's not just.
And he's younger.
Oh man. Niche.
Yeah.
Niche.
Alright. Well, you know, I believe we win, but again, I'll not be mad if TNT wins it. But man, it's
Well,
disgusting.
but you know, good luck.
Gets mo naman
Oh.
pag nanalo sila.
Yeah.
Again,
Random
guys,
things.
another thing. We'll record late. All right, I'll be there on Wednesday. It will probably be up the next night. Whoever
Yeah,
wins,
whatever
whoever
happens,
gets
whatever
the best part of
happens.
This video. But I'm telling you, man, my props are here. My props are here.
So I think for fun, Grim, I feel like just for fun, you brought out a cake. There was a cake that was brought out
ano sa'yo
before
cake?
game.
Wala,
There
no,
was
gusto
a
naman dalawang
cake
linggo
that was
style na
brought.
yun.
Kinain
I
na
would
niya agad.
say,
Kinain na the
I
same
hope-
night.
Bro, it's been 7. There are 3-day gaps between each game. It should be stale as hell.
Yeah, it's been 2
But
weeks.
Graham, I feel like there should be something cake related if he never lose game 7. I I feel like there should be something cake related. You want to put like your face in the cake? You want to send me and Nico a cake?
Nah,
what are we?
I have an idea.
You have an okay.
I do
Okay.
have an
If people whoever have reached this point, let us know what Graham should do with the cake in case. Obviously, if Ginebra wins, we know what he's gonna do with the cake. But if Ginebra loses, let us know what he is gonna do with the cake, man. Because I want something to happen.
We win. We'll win. I just don't believe it. You know, I just feel it. You know, it's like yung parang ano ako, suplado ako kasi Taurus ako eh. I don't have a proof, but I know I should believe it. You know, something like
Nope, that didn't make sense. But all right.
okay, all right. Let's go. Congrats, TNT. You
I was
guys
listening intently to you there and I didn't understand what you just
All
said.
right. All right. Well,
I
you
wasn't
have to
listening
listen better.
intently, and I didn't.
You have to listen better. But yeah,
Myself.
TNT, you deserve it. Right? From the bottom of my heart. Congratulations. No slander. You earned it yesterday. You earned my respect.
Yeah, no slander because they're not Magnolia. Anyway, follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like,
Speaking of
comment,
Magnolia, by
subscribe.
the way, guys. Wait, sorry, dagdag ko lang.
Ay, yeah,
Speaking
yeah.
of Magnolia,
Hey,
we saw
that's crazy. Trading rights for rights? What's that?
trading
about?
one Korean
May alam ba,
player
may
for the
alam ba
other
kayo?
Korean
May alam ba
player.
kayo? Bakit may alam ba kayo? Both players not in the PBA right now. They just happen
yung
to.
KBL, yung SK pati yung KCC, they're like, who you trading? you trading
You
mga
can do that
Filipino
now.
for your Filipino?
Can we?
May alam ba kayo na hindi namin alam?
Ginebra
Yung team ni Will alam nila. Yung team ni Will alam, pinakawalan nila si Will eh.
Bro, sobrang confused ng dalawang teams. They're just like, oh, alright. Just like, alright. Rick, si Arvin
Ginebra.
kakasayin lang din eh.
Yeah, right? Bro, pwede na ba i-trade ng Ginebra yung rights ni Mike Phillips?
Wow, ang bilis, ang bilis.
Right? I mean, that's what they're doing now.
By the way, Magnolia, SMB, man, any offers you want. Stephen Holt and Sonny Estil give me, who can we get, Graham? Give me
Javi Gomez de Leon.
Javi Gomez de Leano
Official
and
target.
Yeah, give me Javi and Russell Escoto, and I'll be good, and I'll be happy. Oh my god.
Alright.
Anyway, go ahead, man.
Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. I said the follow 5-star rating on Spotify. Peace.
Aris amigos, Nebra.
Oh.